Shopify POS equipment. What you need to know. If you're a store owner, you know that running a successful business means having the right tools and equipment. With Shopify POS, you can create an efficient checkout system in your store, giving customers an optimal shopping experience. But what kind of equipment do you need to make it happen? Let's take a look at all the options available for Shopify POS. Click the link below for further information. Shopify POS Go. Shopify POS Go is perfect for businesses on the go and those with limited counter space. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to use. This makes it ideal for pop-up stores and other temporary locations. The device comes preloaded with the Shopify Point of Sale app, so you can start accepting payments as soon as it arrives. Retail Kit. If you're running a retail business, then getting the Shopify Retail Kit is probably your best bet. The kit contains all the essentials necessary to run a successful retail operation. 2 card readers, 1 receipt printer, cash drawer, tablet stand, and shop in a box hardware bundle. It's perfect for small retail stores who want to get up and running quickly without having to purchase separate pieces of equipment. Shopify Card Readers. The Shopify Card Reader allows customers to pay with their credit or debit cards anywhere in your store. It connects directly to your iPad or Android device so you can accept payments quickly and securely. Plus, it's compatible with Apple Pay and Google Pay, so customers have more payment options available at checkout. Tablet Stands. Tablet stands are great if you want to free up counter space while still providing customers with an easy way to view products or complete their purchases on larger screens. Most tablet stands come with adjustable heights, so they can be adjusted according to your needs or preferences. They also come with secure locks that keep the iPads in place even when bumped into by customers or staff members. Barcode scanners and printers. Barcode scanners are essential for any store as they allow employees to quickly scan items at checkout, instead of manually entering each item's information into the system one by one. A barcode printer is also helpful if you need to print labels for products or packages that will be shipped out from your store later on. Together, these 2 pieces of equipment ensure that your checkout process runs smoothly and efficiently every time. No matter what type of business you have, having the right kind of Shopify POS equipment can make a huge difference in how well your store runs day-to-day operations. From card readers and printers to cash drawers and tablet stands, there's something available for everyone. With these options at hand, setting up an efficient checkout system in your store has never been easier. Make sure to do some research beforehand, though. Different types of stores may require different kinds of equipment depending on their size and needs, so find out which ones work best for yours. If you'd like to see further information, please click the link below.